So Chris, what are we up to today?
Well, after this drive, we should probably go to the chiropractor.
Yeah, we don't got the greatest shocks. They're good for racing.
Hey, we're gonna buy tools, Josiah.
Oh yeah? What
Buy
kind?
tools.
What kind of tools?
Lifty thingies.
Nice.
Do you even hoist, bro?
Oh,
Do you even hoist? That'd be a good T-shirt.
that's true. Trademark.
Do you even hoist? TDM. That's not trademark, is it?
TDM, no, just TM.
Oh, TM. Hey.
What are the tools for, though?
Cars.
This is Chris. And my name is Josiah. You're watching The Good Stewarts.
So, the situation today is that we need some tools to keep working on the Camaro. So we're having to pick up a couple of wheel dollies, 4 of them, one for each wheel. And the Harbor Freight here in town had 2.
What the crap?
So we've got to go like a couple towns
Fail.
over to the next nearest Harbor Freight to
Red.
get the next couple ones. So that's what we're doing now. We're going on a road trip.
This unexpected tool run ended up costing us about 3 hours, but nonetheless it was still a pretty fun trip.
Hey! Oh, it's not We bought tools, guys. Don't look at my boxers.
Oh my god.
So this is a wheel dolly, except these kind go around the tire, and then flip this lever, then it's pedal action. And you can watch this lever here, I don't know if you can get in on that. As I go down, that one back there locks, that one comes back,
Yeah.
it raises the car off the ground, as long as you don't get it stuck. Yeah, it's stuck on the tire. And you kind of do it the opposite way.
Nice.
As long as you don't get it stuck.
So we're learning angling
Yeah.
is important.
Crap. I gotta get it unstuck.
There we go.
Position it like that.
Beautiful.
Now my pedal won't get stuck on the tire.
See, we just had to show you the wrong way to do it.
Yeah,
first.
that way everybody knows how to do it right.
Everything needs a good contrast.
We're not perfect.
That's true.
It's the first time I'm using one of these. And then you can lock these down.
Wow, that's pretty neat.
Yeah.
A little hook right there. Nice. That's a good investment.
Cool.
The cool thing about these wheel dollies is they'll allow us to turn the car around using our own strength since we can't start the car.
We just moved the car with our bare hands. We are strong. Yes, we are. Well, we're going to finish putting together the hoist, and we're going to start tearing out the engine, putting in some actual work on this thing. That'll be nice.
Nice. I'm excited to see how far we get.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Right here is our new toy.
Yeah. With directions from IKEA.
Yeah, very confusing. It's in Swedish. This ought to make it very easy to get the engine out, hopefully. So today we didn't get quite as far as we were hoping, and that was largely due to me. I've got an old Volkswagen van again that has been no end of trouble to me, and so long story short, the coil seems to have gone out again, which may have been due to faulty grounds. And so we got a little bit of a late start. We did not get the engine out like we were hoping, and so we will be back again next time. But Chris, do you have a high-low buffalo for today?
The high was getting the engine hoist put together. I've wanted one of those, one of my own, for a long time. So it's nice to actually have one.
Yeah.
Well, and I guess an even better high was my mom came to town.
Yeah.
She flew in a day early. She wasn't supposed to be here until tonight, and she got in this morning and surprised us. So that kind of, that you know, for good reasoning, just killed my willpower to want to work on the car today. Since my mom is just sitting at my house alone, which I'm sure she's probably napping just from jet lag and stuff. But so I guess the low is just not, you know, actually doing real work on the car yet. Not doing that today. And the buffalo, water buffalo. Isn't that a song?
Oh yeah, VeggieTales.
Oh, there you go. There's a buffalo for you. Water buffalo.
So that's your buffalo?
Yeah.
So a high-low buffalo for me, a high would be Chris made me, so since the van broke down, I was not able to make my Starbucks run in the morning like I normally do. So he made me some homemade coffee, some pour-over coffee with homemade whipped cream.
Whipped cream.
On top, and that was pretty phenomenal. A low, I did not find a cool lizard today. No, I'm just kidding. That's not my low. It did add to it. Low was definitely the van breaking in. That was not a fun way to start the day. And then my buffalo would be... What would my buffalo be? Did anything random happen today?
The butter.
The butter? Oh, I was helping make hot dogs, and yeah, this is
I was buttering my buns.
And so I was making some butter toasted buns for the hot dogs. They're delicious. And
we don't have hot dog buns right now.
Right, so it's just bread.
We have 3 loaves of bread, so I'm like, I'm not buying hot dog buns. I'm gonna eat through this bread.
Yeah, so it's butter toasted bread, and I hate trying to spread like hard butter, so I'm like, I'll just pop it in the microwave for 10 seconds. Put it in for 10 seconds, and it was still hard as a rock. So I was like, okay, 10 more. And then 10 more seconds, it was a pool of butter. So still worked great. The butter's still good.
Toast was good.
It's just one of those things. Butter science, I don't get it. All right, so we will see you all
butter science
next time. We just made it. I already made that joke about you when you were in the garage. Ooh, ow!
Check out our canopy, guys.
We had this last time.
24 ounces of canopy.
Oh my goodness. Time for some action shots.
Holy crap, that's hot.
I'm trying to get action shots.
Oh, sorry.
Fine, I'll do an action shot somewhere else. No, that's the only good spot. That changed the only interesting part of this thing.
Don't look at that, it's new. It's supposed to fall off.
Ouch.